Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm a math tutor. Think there's nothing you can do to help the environment in your home in 1 minute? Watch this. You can save money and the environment at the same time by turning the temperature down on your water heater. By setting your heater at around 120 degrees, you are promoting energy efficiency while also preventing yourself from being scalded by water that is too hot. To confirm that your water heater's temperature can be adjusted, or for instructions on how to lower the temperature, call the manufacturer for assistance or for a manual. If you have even 1 minute, there is something you can do to have a more energy-efficient home. Be the change you want to see in the world. Come on, let's show them what you can do.